Creating baby dancing videos like this is very easy, except you don't know how to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create baby dancing videos like this. Right, so I'm going to show you right now how you can create baby dancing videos like this that you can be posting on your TikTok account and you'll be monetized. If you are using UK TikTok account, you can post this type of video and it's going to be monetized. But if you don't know how to get also TikTok account, you can let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make video how you can create UK TikTok account that you can be posting any type of video and you'll be monetized. So without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. Let me show you how you can create baby dancing videos like this that you'll be posting on your platform. Let's get started.
So to record this type of video of the baby dance, you are going to copy this prompt. I'm going to leave this prompt on my Telegram channel. So go to my Telegram channel. I don't want you to be asking me on Facebook, where is the prompt? Just go to Telegram, search for my name, Nupe Flavor TV. You are going to see this prompt. So go and copy it. And after you copy the prompt, go and download Flow AI. I've shown you guys how you can download Flow AI on my previous video. So go and download Flow AI. After you download Flow AI, you click on new project. So this is the AI I'm going to use to generate our image. You click on image here. And after you click on image, I'm going to put it on 9.16 and the result should be 1. So I'm going to just paste it like this, paste the prompt here, and I'll click on generate. So make sure you follow up, because if you come to my comment section if you come to my WhatsApp and be asking me a question regarding to this, I will not answer you, because most of you guys, when somebody create videos, you guys will not watch the video. You just come direct to the comment section or to my WhatsApp and be asking me a question that I've already answered in the video. So this is how you are going to do it. And make sure if you copy the prompt, you try to change some things, because if you look similar to each other, they are going to give you copyright. Like this one now, as you can see, this is our result here. This is our result. I can decide to change it. I can decide to change the clothes. I will say change the outfit to red color. So you can also change your own so that it will look different from each other. But if you do not change your own, you are using what I use, it's left for you. Because sometimes if it is resemble each other, they are going to give you copyright of reuse content, because you are using my content or you are using somebody's content. So make sure you change some things. Now let's wait for the result. Now this is the result. It's already here. Now as you can see, it has changed the clothes. I'll just click on dot up here and I'm going to click on download, and it's going to download. Now after it download, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to TikTok. Now coming to TikTok, this is what I will do. I'll just look for one music. Let me just look for one music dance, maybe any music dance that you feel you want to use. Let's use all this baby dancing that is trending now. For this music, Cheche Kule, that people are dancing now. Let's start for the music. Cheche Kule. I think it should be something like this. It's Cheche Kule dance like this. Now let's use this first one here. Let's use this one. Now we'll click on this and we click on download. Let's download the music. So you can just download anyone. No, I don't like this one. Not this one that I want to download. Let's download this one. This one here. Let's use this one. Now just click on here like this and we click on download. And we are going to download the video to our phone. Now the video is downloading. Now after the video download, the next thing I'm going to do is to use this AI tool that we are going to use to turn our video, to create our own video. Now this is the AI tool we are going to use. So before you come to my comment section and be asking me what is the name of this AI tool, the link to this AI tool, if you want to get access to this AI tool, I'm going to leave it in the comment section of this video. The first comment, my own comment, you are going to see it there. So just go to the AI tool, just go to the comment section, you are going to see it, or just go to my Telegram channel, you are going to see the link. Now you click on video. Now when you click on video, just go to the home page like this, as you can see, where you are going to see different type of video to frame. You are going to see a lot of things about this AI tool. Now you are going to see where it says motion scene. As you can see, motion scene here, this one, you tap on it. Now when you tap on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now the image we just create, moment ago, you are going to upload the image here. As you can see, upload image. So this is where we're going to upload our image. So let's upload the image. This is the image here. And after I upload the image, you are going to see where it says add motion reference. As you can see, you click on here like this, you click on upload video. Now the video we download moment ago, this is the video here. I'm going to upload the video. Now I'm adding the music, the video. As you can see, this is the video here. I can decide to cut out some part like this, the ending part. so that I'll leave it at this 23 seconds. I'll click on confirm. Now the video has uploaded. As you can see the video below here, the image is up, the video is below, and you can also put your description. If you want to describe it, you can put your description, or if you don't want to describe it, all you just have to do, just click on generate below here. As you can see, generate below here, and to start generating your video for you. So let's click on generate so that we are going to see how our result is going to be. Now it's generating the video here. As you can see, generating. So it's generating the video. We just have to give it some minutes and you guys are going to see our result like this.
Now you have seen everything, how you can create baby dancing videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel, you have not liked, follow, don't forget to do that, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.